You guys gotta tell me if the footage looks good or not. Looks good on my end. I'm trying out a few new settings, so let me know. I think that looks pretty good. I dropped the front and I put spacers in. It's a pretty bad way to tell if there's spacers, but fitment's a little tighter now, so should look better. I'm just out here testing out the camera. One of you guys said in the last video that the camera looked a little blurry, so I hadn't set up anything. I didn't change any settings. It turned out I was filming on like a lower quality mode, so that could be it. I don't know anything about cameras. I don't know anything about filmmaking, editing, anything like that, so I'm trying to learn so I can bring you guys better content. Just leaving the exhaust shop. Didn't end up putting the mufflers in, but we put a vibrant quiet flow in instead of the bottle resonator that I had. They just happen to have a quiet flow here, and I'll show you why we didn't put the mufflers in. It was the Y pipe on the tips was just way too long, so I got to find other tips or find a way to shorten that Y pipe or whatever. But he put the quiet flow in, and it is like significantly quieter from like just rev, like a free rev or whatever. So I'm gonna go test it out and see if it makes a difference. I was actually just out driving this thing, just doing some testing. Sorry if I sound really nasally. My allergies are really bad today. But I was out doing some testing on this thing, and I realized that I've never really just filmed a cruise in this thing. So might as well. I have my camera bag with me, so might as well just film a little cruise. We're still finishing up the tune, so I'm not going to beat on it. It's probably the hottest weather I've driven this car in. And, you know, I've just been cruising around for like probably an hour now, and it feels great. It was misfiring a bit after a few pulls the other day, so hoping it's nothing mechanical. I'm going to switch over to the GoPro now. I know the last clip ended pretty quickly, kind of out of nowhere. This might be, it's the next day. As you can see in that footage, the car was misfiring. I didn't want to push it and figured I'd rather go find a solution for it. I think I might have found the issue. It's kind of a dumb problem if I'm right. So I've been getting this message for a while now saying that the gas cap needs to be tightened. It used to happen once in a while. Now it'll happen every drive. And I kind of just ignored it. but then I looked into it for like 2 seconds, and turns out that it's the purge valve going out. So that could definitely be causing a misfire. I have one of those on the way, and I guess we'll see if that fixes the problem. Just gonna do a quick oil change on the Z. Can't wait to paint this hood, man. Like, I like carbon parts, but just full carbon panels don't do it for me. Gonna paint this, gonna paint this. These are not gonna be on there. Picked up some AMSOIL synthetic, whatever. Just finished up, all good. Gonna go take it for a rip and make sure she's all good. We gotta get some damn gas. I installed that new evap purge solenoid, and it seems to be okay so far. Haven't had any misfiring, but it's usually like lower RPM stuff that it starts to do it. We'll see when I come to a stop if it does it again. That's typically where it would do it. So but yeah, for now, so far so good. Hopefully that's the issue, hopefully. If not, I guess the next step would be probably coil packs, because I did notice today, I was checking out the coil packs just in the front bank. I noticed that there was like one coil pack that's not, it's either not OEM or something, or there's two that aren't OEM. Anyways, there's a bunch of different coil packs in the car. Okay. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna take it out for a drive later tonight when it cools down a little bit, because it's still pretty hot right now. The sun's cooking. So I'll take it out later and we'll get a little rip in, do some pulls, see what's what. It's a little bit later. I'm gonna go for a little drive, a little cruise, see if we get any misfires. Let's get out of here. Not gonna lie, I just heard a creepy noise and I just wanted to dip, so I'm out. is coil packs. Do that next time. Okay, so I just went and picked up the Z. TL was misfiring pretty bad, so I'm not driving that. It's kind of disappointing, to be honest, but whatever. So yeah, I'll get those coil packs. We'll see if that's the issue. If it is, then I'll switch over to the MSD ones just for like a better long-term solution. Yeah, kind of bummed. It was ripping. It was moving when it was working properly, but I don't know what happened. So I guess I'll just end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can get this fixed by the next video. See you then.